box, you can see the slot with nut and base. The flip folder and refill sleeves are on the lower layer. Place the base near the bell throat and lead pipes junction. Wrap the strap encircling both tubes. Hook it onto the base. Place the nut over the base's spherical head. Press fit the ball joint into slot. Tighten the nut. Open the rings. Insert the sleeves. Snap the rings closed. Insert the music that you want to play. Paper clip the pages. Align the tab with the slot's groove. Slide the tab until clicks. Loose the nut. Adjust to your desired angle. Tighten the nut. Enjoy playing trumpet.